Hakani kapor ngiawan kumne nagalianga General Assembly jonga balang Presbyterian dari India but kumjo nagabalang Presbyterian Footmori kabadi ka host church jong kini ka program ka bakerpang ka 46 Biennial General Assembly but ka Centenary Jubilee Celebration arajar arfun rio kabanlong na do ka arpo khandai tarik u April hado lai tarik umi arajar arfun rio. So it gives me immense joy to express words of gratitude to all the esteemed members of the Press Club and also the Presbyterian Church of India, the officials, the committee members, the invitees, well-wishers, and the delegates of the 46th Biennial General Assembly and the Centenary Jubilee Celebrations 2026 who have made arrangements to attend this auspicious event to be held at our church, the Footmori Presbyterian Church, Long, on the said date, 29 April to 3rd May 2026. And we believe that this week-long event is significant in itself as it marks only not the biennial session of the General Assembly but also commemorates the 100th year of its inception. And we hope and pray that our journey together during this remarkable event will be a milestone leading to yet another landmark in the history of the Presbyterian Church of India. And we wish all of you well and may you have a wonderful time during your stay in this eventful program. And we pray for the presence of God and His abundant blessings to nourish our spiritual thirst as we come together in active participation during the biennial and the Centenary Jubilee Celebrations 2026. Ka program kan stang nado ka arpo pratrik hakaba kidokhat jong ka executive committee jong ka Presbyterian Church of India kin one ting stang iging seng akapuan menmiet nyobeje ya ka banyalam daga balang ka host church te hakat arpo kandai April kindan ki committee ki bapher pada ka jo kapor arpo kandai trik janmiet ki delegates na ki khatway tili ki synod but kaway ka provisional synod ngin one but ni community na ki arajar sanspa ngut ki delegates na ki khatar tili ki synod bentuk ke provisional synod kini wan manyadankat ha kini kejing men jongi ha kini ke biennial meeting ke jongi but ni community ha ka laiterik ke skill try ke sunday ke kejing seng paro ha ka puas siteng but sibiji siteng ngin long hantai ha GN complex ha ka jo ko por ngin bo ki giant screen na benta kito ki bamnyam show ka stadium tingin penonton ro ya ka second ground pada ka jo ko por ka parking lot pag ngit scam but ni community bagi riungay na ki bopon tilikisot kin one sa kini ka jingaseng ka bahe ka basa jingkan mau but we are expecting like lots of faithfuls to be able to come this time to worship together and to celebrate the Jubilee, Centenary Jubilee together. So we would request for all those who made plans to worship along with us, especially on the 3rd May, Sunday, that in a few days' time we are going to air regarding the how then that we can we can come to the venue for this eventful occasion. I mean, we will try to elaborate more regarding the way where to reach. We have prepared in such a way. We are working together along with the traffic department, government Meghalaya, and we are working neck and neck and closely with the government regarding this occasion. Kalau ngajing kerpat ba ito ki ba penkre ila di wan kamtam kesini utrai pins ngobha ban page ngin sa ai jing tip ling ba the press hoi through social media kumno bangila man poi sya kaning ngajing sen hamadan pulo nagi lenti ki ba fair kita ki ba wan na riboy ki ba wan na West Coast Hills, kibon na Jante Hills, bat kibon na Keleng, kumno bigina man poy sa Madan Pulo, bat kumjo ro hakini kijingasan gibangingin senang na do kami Arthur Frederick hakabalang Presbyterian Formodi kabadai ka host church jong kini event. Ngikwaro pan pendapat ba ka Arthuric sinisadyan ka Port Siteng kandon ki inaugural service ikiting rakhi jongi ikiting dap shispas nam jaga balang Presbyterian hari India kani kanlong hamadan hai stadium te hakatu basni kandon ka jing pelaj ba ka souvenir kandon ka hosting of the flag but kandon ki jing ai ki bakapang ikito ki belano senyang ya ka balang Presbyterian hari India Tikijinga sen made ru kanlong hamadan hai stadium nado kasih sajan ni ko amanito nado si sajan kamadan hai stadium kande kejaka hakabangin tulong ni je sen made bak kejinga rakhe ya kaniga centenary jubilee celebration jo kabalang